You recommend something you actually use, someone clicks your link, buys it, and you get paid a cut. That's the entire mechanic. Everything else is just details. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service for the actual product. You're not selling anything, you're pointing people towards something that already exists. You join an affiliate program, get a unique tracking link, and share that link through content. A blog post, a YouTube video, a newsletter, a social post. When someone clicks your link and buys within the tracking window, usually 30 to 90 days, you earn a commission. No click, no purchase, no payout. It's entirely performance-based. The company handles the product, the shipping, the support. Your only job is getting the right person in front of the right recommendation. Commissions vary a lot by category. Physical products through Amazon often pay a few percent. Digital products and software can pay 20 to 50%, and some subscription tools pay you every single month the customer stays subscribed. Step 1. Pick a niche you already know something about. Not the most profitable niche, the one where you can write or talk about it without running out of things to say in a week. Step 2. Pick one platform to start. A blog, a YouTube channel, a newsletter, or short-form video. Not all four at once, one done consistently. A blog compounds through search traffic over months and years. YouTube compounds through search and recommendations, and video builds trust faster. A newsletter builds the most direct relationship, but you have to earn every subscriber first. Short-form video moves fastest, but decays fastest too. There's no universally best platform here. There's the one that matches how you already like to communicate, because you're going to be doing it for months. Step 3, find affiliate programs in your niche. Amazon Associates for physical products, ShareASale and CJ Affiliate for a broad marketplace of brands, or the individual affiliate program most software and course creators run directly. Step 4, create content that actually helps someone decide. A comparison, a how-to, an honest review, and place your link where the decision naturally happens. Amazon Associates is the easiest to start with. Huge product catalog, instant approval for most people, but commission rates are low, often 1 to 5%, and the cookie window is short. Software and course affiliate programs usually pay far more. 20 to 50% isn't unusual, and some are recurring, meaning you get paid every month a customer stays subscribed, not just once. Recurring commissions change the math entirely. 10 customers paying you a recurring cut every month compounds. 10 one-time Amazon sales don't. Before joining any program, check the cookie duration, the payout threshold, and how they actually pay you. Some hold payments for 30 or 60 days after the sale. Amazon Associates pays roughly a month after the sale, once you hit a low minimum threshold. Fast, but the commission itself is small. Larger affiliate networks like ShareASale and CJ often hold your first payout for the program's full return window before releasing it, sometimes 45 to 60 days end to end. Direct software and course programs vary the most. Some pay monthly like clockwork, others only pay out quarterly, and a few require you to hit a minimum balance that can take a while to reach as a beginner. None of this should stop you from starting. It just means don't expect your first commission to hit your bank account the same week someone clicks your link. Comparison content, an X versus Y post, works because the reader has already decided to buy something in this category. You're just helping them choose which one. Tutorial content works because it demonstrates the product actually solving a problem, in context, instead of just listing features on a page. Honest review content works precisely because it isn't purely positive. Readers trust a review more when it names a real limitation, not just the upside. The common thread? All three formats help someone make a decision they were already trying to make. None of them interrupt someone who wasn't looking to buy anything. This is not a get-rich-quick model. Most people publishing consistently see their first real commission somewhere between month 1 and month 3, and meaningful income usually takes 6 months or more of steady content. The people who quit at week 3 were never going to make it work anyway. The ones who stick around long enough to build an audience are the ones who eventually do. Search-based content especially has a lag. A blog post or YouTube video you publish today might not get meaningful traffic for 2 to 4 months while it works its way up in search results. Mistake 1. Promoting anything with a commission attached instead of what you'd actually recommend to a friend. Your audience can tell the difference, and it costs you trust you can't easily earn back. Mistake 2. Chasing traffic before you have anything worth converting. 1,000 visitors to a page with no real recommendation converts worse than 100 visitors to a page that actually helps. Mistake 3, skipping the disclosure. The FTC requires a clear statement that your links are affiliate links, not a hidden footnote, a plain statement your reader can't miss. It's the law, and it's also just honest. A good disclosure sits near the top of the content in plain language. Something like, this post contains affiliate links and I may earn a commission. Not buried in a footer nobody scrolls to. Disclose on every platform you use, not just your main one. A YouTube description needs it, a blog post needs it, and a social caption with a link needs it too. The rule doesn't change by platform. Mistake 4, promoting 10 different products in your first month instead of going deep on the 2 or 3 you actually understand well enough to answer questions about. Mistake 5, a costly one, running paid ads to a link before you've proven the recommendation converts organically. If free traffic doesn't click and buy, paid traffic to the same page won't either. You'll just lose money faster. Prove the content works with free traffic first. Search, social, word of mouth, then consider paid traffic to amplify something that's already converting, not to rescue something that isn't. Mistake 6, giving up the moment the first piece of content underperforms. One post isn't a sample size. A real test is 10 or 20 pieces of consistent content, not one. Most affiliate networks give you a dashboard showing clicks, conversions, and earnings per link. Check it, but don't obsess over daily numbers this early. Look for trends over weeks, not days. If a piece of content gets traffic but 0 clicks on your link, that's a signal the recommendation isn't placed where the reader's decision is actually happening. Move it, don't just add more content. The people who make real money at this aren't the best writers or the best editors. They're the most consistent, and they only recommend what they'd stand behind personally. Build the audience first. The commission is what happens after someone already trusts your recommendation, not a substitute for earning that trust. One niche, one platform, one honest recommendation at a time. That's the whole playbook. Everything else is just execution. Once one piece of content is reliably converting, the move isn't to abandon it for something new. It's to make more content in that same proven pattern for adjacent products your same audience would also trust. An email list turns one-time readers into people you can reach again. That's the single biggest lever most beginners skip until it's too late to have built one. Diversify across a few programs once you have traction. So one company changing its commission rate or shutting down its program doesn't zero out your income overnight. The real starting point. Pick one product you already use and believe in. Write the honest case for it and publish that today. Not a perfect 20-part content calendar. One honest piece of content published is worth more than a plan you never start. That's affiliate marketing without the hype. No inventory, no guesswork, just recommend what you trust and get paid when it helps someone decide. Like and subscribe if you want more breakdowns like this.